What's up, guys? Are we live? Audio check.
Are these on? Can everyone hear?
Should we kind of give a little rundown of all the stuff that we went over on Trigger Smarts?
Yeah, let's do it.
So we are here at the bare end of Tyler Robinson's hearing today.
Yep, we got here around what? 10
a.m.
10
before, I think.
Yeah, we're planning on staying until everyone leaves because we're trying to get some more interviews from people. But we got a chance to actually go inside the courtroom, which was pretty crazy. We didn't think we were going to be able to.
Yeah.
They only let 75 people in, and we were towards the front, thankfully, so we got in.
We were right towards the front.
Yeah.
And just to give a rundown on what this hearing is about, in case my mom's watching. So this hearing is about whether this case can stay within Utah County because there were some potential conflicts of interest
with someone on the prosecution team, which we will get to in a second. Their child was at the UVU event on the day of Charlie Kirk's assassination. So this is the prosecution team. We made this last night. Well, Billy basically did because she's the artistic one. But we have prosecution team. So we got Jeffrey S. Gray. He is the main guy. Then we got Chad E. Grenander. Can't say his last name. Then we got Ryan McBride over here. Dave Strigel, Lauren Hunt, and Christopher Ballard. Then we have Judge Tony Graff on this side. And then we have the defense team, which is Stacy Visser.
Sorry, we were running out of ink, so we had to put the main three up in one photo.
And then we have Richard G. Novak, Catherine Nestor, and Michael N. Burt. And fun fact I mentioned on Trigger Smarts Live is that Michael N. Burt was actually a defense attorney for Lyle Menendez, as in the Menendez brothers trial.
So, yeah. Did you say Stacy Visser then
already?
Yeah,
so the other side.
Oh, yeah, wait. Also, Richard Novak is the one that's done most of the talking today.
Yeah.
They're leaving? Charles McClintock Wilson just sprinted past us and said they're leaving. So I don't know. What do we do? Do we carry the laptop and the camera and go watch everything?
We can. Should we do that?
I don't know.
That would be difficult to do.
Yeah, because we'd have to carry the laptop.
Why don't we have Charles come back and tell us what he
saw? Why don't you keep giving a rundown? I'll go get some footage on my phone or on that camera.
Okay.
Do you want to do that?
Sure.
You good? You can tell the story?
Sure. All right, I'll go get some stuff. Do you need a mic or no? Okay. All right, Billy is going to go try to get some footage of Tyler Robinson leaving. I guess he came in a black truck this morning, and it was all blacked out, so you couldn't really see much. But we told this story on Trigger Smarts podcast. It's pretty crazy. So we walked in. We were all going down the pews. We were on the second pew behind, and we're sitting down. I'm sure some of you were on the last live of Trigger Smarts. We interviewed a man by the name of Travis, and he was sitting next to us. And so it was me, Billy, and Travis, and we were having a conversation with him about his experience at UVU that day, and also what his theories are regarding the investigation. And we weren't really debating him. It was more just like a conversation. And we were kind of explaining how we don't think that Tyler is the only one involved. We think that there's many other factors to the story. And then Travis had a different opinion. He was pretty set on it being Tyler. And we didn't know this, but Tyler Robinson's family was sitting directly in front of us. And a lady turned around. She was very, very sweet. but she just said, hey, just so you guys know, this is Tyler's family. Like, I'm part of Tyler's family. And I'm really sorry about what you went through. She said that to Travis, but she just said, can you guys just be a little bit more quiet because the family's going through a lot. And so we were like, oh my gosh, we're so sorry. We didn't mean to offend you or anything. And she said, no. I heard what you guys were saying. And, I appreciate what you two were saying, referring to me and Billy. And we just kind of asked her, so have you spoken out to the media at all? Like Candace Owens, for example. And she knew who she was exactly. She just said, I feel like we don't want to say anything because we just think that everything just keeps getting twisted. And she just basically said about 2% of what you're hearing in the media is true. And I wouldn't even say true, like partially true. And just basically what the mainstream media says is not what really occurred. And we straight up asked her, do you think Tyler is capable of doing something like this? And she just looked at us and said, no. And so that was pretty wild because I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not sure if many people think that might have been him. Was that him?
Yeah.
So
That was crazy.
We don't think that many people have, or any people at all, have gotten a chance to speak to the Robinson family. So it was very interesting being able to talk to one of his family members. I'm not going to say who, but he had 6 family members with him. But I'll just say she was a she. She was very kind.
Very, very kind.
And I hope one of them speaks out to someone because it seemed like she knew things that we don't know. At least the public doesn't know.
Since I'm just getting back, did you mention that I asked her why she hasn't spoken to Candace or anyone?
I briefly did, but if you want to give your perspective on that too. This is too low. Okay. I feel like I'm like singing with this mic. Charles, you want to pop into our live? You guys remember Charles McClintock Wilson, the first guy that we ever interviewed, the photographer at UVU?
Hi guys. Am I live?
Yeah, we're live.
Sorry, out of breath.
Did you get him? Did you get him? Tell us.
Yeah.
Oh, we got him.
Charles got some amazing photos today.
Yeah.
You want to speak in?
Oh, sorry guys, I'm out of breath. Huh?
Yeah, I was running too.
Yeah.
That was
Because then I
crazy.
have to go and get the family, like Tyler Robinson's family, and then the attorneys, and now Tyler Robinson.
Yo,
I'll be running.
Charles. So there's like a lot of people online who are like, Charles still doesn't matter if we do 1, 2, 3, 4 interviews. He was in on it. He was suspicious.
God, man.
Okay, so I just want to say Charles has never worked for TP USA. He's never worked for them. He's never been paid by them. He actually didn't even know what AmFest was until Brandy and I
Yeah, they
were
told
like,
me about it.
We told him about it.
yeah, he didn't know what AmFest was. And still, we were like, hey, dude, since that one woman reached out to you, she works for TPUSA. Maybe you should text her back and ask her for a media pass for AmFest.
Yeah.
And he was like, no, I don't really want to do that. I don't want to bother her. And then finally he did, and he got the media pass. There we go. Are we all good?
So that's how he got it.
Yeah, that's how I got in. So we're all good now?
We're all good.
All right.
How are you?
Thank you guys. I got to go back to work.
Okay, have fun.
Where are you? What are you doing now?
He said he has to go get the family.
What are you guys doing?
Get the family. You're gonna get the
Already got
family? Oh, you got the family?
Did the family already leave?
Yeah, everyone left.
Oh
Yeah,
shoot.
everybody's done now.
Okay. Did you see what? Wait.
So,
I'm not bothering. I can't.
No, of course not. Well, there's nothing
I
we can
didn't see
do.
that. There's no way.
Yeah.
Thanks. Huh? Yeah, we're almost finished. I want to see if Brian.
We're
wants
trying to get an
speak
interview
us.
with Brian.
He said that he would. But yeah, okay. So quick recap: we did speak to one of Tyler Robinson's family members, and I did ask her, why haven't you come forward and responded really to any of the people like Candace Owens. And I didn't say Candace Owens' full name. I just said, why haven't you spoken to Candace? And she didn't seem shocked when I said Candace, or she didn't seem confused. She didn't seem taken aback, like, who's Candace? So that makes me think that they have all probably been keeping up with Candace Owens, maybe some of the other people online.
I mean, I would. If that was
Yeah.
my family member, I would be listening to everyone.
Yeah, 100%.
It's just interesting. I guess the trial hasn't really come to fruition yet about when they're going to start bringing up evidence. But
Yeah.
per Candace, I don't think his defense team has reached out to her at all. And she has a lot of information that would back up his defense. So I'm curious of why they haven't.
I have a list of questions for Brian. Let me go see if he'll pop in here before it gets too dark.
Okay.
You want to look over something?
Yeah. So I'm sure you guys are familiar with Brian. He just did an interview that went pretty viral the other day with one of Lance Twiggs' family members. Her face was blacked out. And so he works for News Nation, I believe. I'm not familiar, but yeah, we just met him today. But if you have any questions that you want to ask him, you can put it in the chat too. We have a list from some people that were in the chat on Trigger Smarts Live. Is he going to come over?
He's actually conducting his own interview right now, and he will come shortly after. I'm not sure how long his interview is going to last. Are you reading any of these out loud?
No, I haven't yet. Should I read some of them?
So for those of you who maybe don't know who Brian, and how do you say his last name? Etienne?
I was telling him that telling them that he just interviewed Lance's family member.
Yeah. And
that's how he went pretty viral.
Yeah. Did you mention how Barron covered that last night? Barron Coleman covered that on his show?
Oh, well, no, but I'm sure you guys know who Barron is, but he did cover it, and he was
Are we in front of your car?
Because it looked like he was in his pajamas or something. Huh?
You guys just doing a podcast?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to be interviewed?
I'm with the media.
Oh, you're with the media? Which media are you with? Fox News.
You guys don't have to move everything. I can kind of go out.
Oh, this is
way.
your car. Oh, I thought you were just asking what we're doing. Okay. All right. Well,
You can do whatever you want.
we can move
No, just
a little
for
bit.
real. I mean, just move that mic. I'll back up. Tell me how close I can get.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Pull up this way.
All right,
Thank
cool.
you.
Thanks.
So you don't have to move your camera.
That's very nice. Thank you. Yeah, there's some questions that people want us to ask him. Some of them are funny questions, like why did you show up to the interview in pajama pants? I don't think he showed up in pajama pants necessarily.
Interesting. Let's see how this goes. Charles, can you help us maybe direct him? Okay, stop.
Thank you.
How'd you guys?
He's a nice guy. Ooh, it's cold. Oh, I know. Is it just because the brightness is down? Well, hopefully Brian will be done soon. How do you scroll? Blake, we wanted to get you in touch with her, but she already left. And
Oh, that was great.
yeah, and we don't even have her name.
Blake, I was very cautious talking with the Robinsons. Like, first of all, I kept trying to make eye contact with certain family members, and they just wouldn't make eye contact at all. And we just got very, very lucky that I guess we annoyed the one family member enough, and she did not come off annoyed at all, for one. But we just got pretty lucky. If you're trying to find the super chats at the start. We have 2 super chats. Yeah.
Someone asked in the regular comments, did the prosecution seem unprepared? Yeah, in my opinion.
Ivan is here. See, I told you. Ivan shows up all the time. Except I used to say Yvonne, but now I'm pretty sure it's Ivan.
Hi, Ivan. Oh, the guy that missed our live stream because he went on a date with his wife.
Yeah.
We forgive you.
Ivan.
Don't worry. She's a priority.
Blake said, will you speak on the process of how y'all were able to get a seat in the courthouse? Dude, anyone could go, but they had a limit of 75 people. They didn't
even verify if we were media. We don't have badges. We were just like, yeah, we have our own independent podcast. And we were just saying that to people in line, but no one escorting people in the courtroom asked. Literally, I think anyone could honestly just go.
Yeah.
You just couldn't have your phones. You couldn't have cameras. You couldn't have recording devices, but people had their laptops open taking notes and note pens. And we're new to this, so we didn't bring note pens or a notebook or our laptops because we didn't think we'd be allowed to bring our laptops in, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I mean, we showed up like an hour before they started letting people in, and then like you had to pee, and then we're like, man, should we just like sit inside for a bit?
Yeah.
And then we got sucked in. We were supposed to join Trigger Smarts live around 1 or 1:30. We didn't join until 3 or 3:30 or 4 p.m.
Yeah, we were just sitting in the courtroom because it was so interesting.
Very interesting, and also very just annoying to see them going back and forth,
back and forth and back and forth and back
you're
and
like
forth.
sitting on the edge of your seat, thinking that they're about to come to a conclusion.
Yeah.
And so I guess it just ended up getting postponed anyway.
I guess, because I haven't really been following because we've been doing this, so I'm not really sure exactly what is going on fully.
Yeah, but I don't know if I said this on this live or on Trigger Smarts live. It was insanely chilling to make eye contact with Tyler Robinson.
Yeah.
If I was making eye contact with him, like I think I was.
Yeah, because he came out. We thought he looked in our direction because we didn't know his family was sitting right in front of us, and we were like, "Oh my gosh, he's just like scanning the room." But I think he was looking at his family.
Yeah, and everyone on Trigger Smarts live wanted to know if Erica Kirk was there. She doesn't.
No,
she doesn't show up to this.
And I don't think that. I think she has said that she publicly is not going to come to any of the court hearings.
Yeah.
I think. Don't quote me on this. I think she said that on Barry Weiss's show, maybe.
Yeah.
Because she said she has no interest in seeing him.
Mary Briggs just said, why doesn't Tyler's family ask for more attorneys? His attorney could get him off just by asking him to take a gun apart and put it back together.
That is a good point.
That is great, actually.
But then the prosecutors could be like, he's pretending he doesn't know how.
That's true.
So
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about his attorneys after today. Like,
I mean, it seems like they're like, if I was their attorneys, I would be contacting Candace, I'd be contacting Trigger Smart, all these people that have all of this evidence that show what they're saying can't possibly be true, or at least showing that there's a bunch of holes in their story. So it makes me think, in my opinion, that they're kind of all in on it. And the prosecuting team and the defense team seemed very familiar with each other. And I'm not a lawyer. I don't know how that works, but it seems like they've been communicating a lot.
Yeah.
And I don't know if that's normal,
And
but
what's weird is
they're all like
don't
whispering
know.
to each other. Even the defense team and the prosecutor, they're all just like talking. And I'm like, is that normal?
yeah, at all times. And then which one is the one that is supposedly...
Oh, and someone just said Terrell Farnsworth's first cousin is one of Tyler's lawyers. Yeah,
Is
we
that
think
Richard
that's
Novak?
yeah. Well, a
one
lot
that
of people
was-
said it was Richard Novak. Yeah,
Yeah, and I never actually
which I think
watched-
that's kind of that should be brought up. Like, your family member works for Turning Point or is contracted by them.
But is it confirmed? Because
I
that
don't
was
know.
Project Constitution's discovery.
I'm not sure if that's confirmed or not.
Some of these guys make really, really long live streams all the time. No, Project Constitution isn't really known for going like live that often, but like Valhalla and what's his face, Gary. I sometimes, most of the times, cannot watch an entire live stream of theirs.
Yeah, because they're 8 hours.
Yeah, well, I mean, even Trigger Smart today, Matt's live stream was like 5.5 hours. He's like, this has been insane. Like, we're done.
Yeah, I don't blame them. And so they all left. So
Yeah. Do you want to ride home? Is that what you doing? Oh,
Okay.
Just hanging out.
We're
I
just going to hang out until we can get a interview maybe with Brian.
We have a stalker. Ooh.
Thanks, Trigger Smart. Let's.
Journalism is first rate. Is that good? First rate. Thank you. I believe Charles.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, it's
I really
very
do.
sad. Thank you, JDC.
Should we go through any of the other comments if there's any questions?
Trigger Smarts in the chat. Hey Matt, thanks for having us on your live today.
Yeah, thank you. It was fun.
I'm kind of just waiting on Brian, and then I'm ready to skedaddle.
It's cold out here, guys. It is cold.
It's gonna get too dark. Baron Coleman keeps his life around 3 hours. Yeah, but it's like watching a monkey at the circus the whole time.
And someone said your microphone's a lot softer than mine.
Oh, oops.
Thank you.
This is the...
Are you guys still live?
We're still live.
Yeah.
Oh, Brian's done.
Brian is done. Let's bring Brian over here and let's ask him some questions.
We got Brian on the spot.
Yeah, well, we already asked him.
Is Brian on?
What? No. Uh-oh, guys. Is he gonna ghost us now? Is he? After we've been standing in the cold. We got some videos of inside not the courtroom, but inside the area. We took videos of all the prosecutors and the defense team. So we'll post some of that when we're gonna make an actual video about this, I believe, with more interviews that we've done. Billy's talking to Brian. Let's see. What do you say?
So, Brian, because he's associated with Nation, what's the media? News Nation. He can't just like hop on the live stream without asking for permission. I guess he was misinterpreting the question that we were asking him earlier about hopping on for an interview, but he said that like just go run over and ask him questions. So I asked him some of the questions from the top of my head.
Okay.
And I'm coming back here without the face of Brian to like give the answers. So with the interview that he had with Lance Twiggs' family member.
What was that?
Because they're like look like they were wearing a wig.
Oh. Okay.
Get it?
Okay.
No, he did not compensate the person for the interview. And yes, he did verify that it was Twiggs' family member through various different methods. He also spoke to other family members as well, along with that one, but that was the only family member that agreed to be interviewed. So there you go.
And he said he was not wearing pajamas on the interview.
I also asked him how he felt about his outfit choice, and he was like, stop. Okay, I could have dressed up a little bit more. Whatever. Do you have anything else that we should go run over and ask him before he skedaddles?
I don't know. What were some of those questions that people sent you on your phone?
I
I haven't had a chance to look at them. It's so hard to take your gloves off.
It's
right now.
so freezing. Brian visited UVU. He has seen all the camera footage. That's not a question. What makes them think Charlie was shot? He's not going to know the answer to that other than what he already has.
Mhm.
Oh, also another thing that he answered was, were there more questions in the interview that were cut? And he said nothing that was relevant.
Relevant to who?
relevant to like the situation. Like he said, everything that was informative or video worthy is like in the video.
I see.
Has the family of Tyler Robinson been interviewed? I do not think so.
By us. Now.
Yeah, by us. Okay. I'm freezing. I think my toes are about to fall off. So maybe we should read any remaining chats and then skedaddle so we can go sit in like 80-degree heat.
Yeah. We could still hang around Provo if you want and see if we can get more interviews with people around here and ask them if they
We should
knew
go.
what occurred today,
Yeah.
how they feel the hearing went, how they feel about the Charlie Kirk investigation.
Yeah. I'm down to also just like run by UVU and go see the plants because we haven't actually done that
Yeah,
yet.
let's go to UVU.
Hey Charles, how far is UVU from here? How far is UVU
Apparently,
from
there's
here?
plants all over the area that they paved
About 10 minutes
over
away.
where Charlie got assassinated at. And it's a little weird. They just covered it up with a bunch of random potted plants. Maybe so people can't look more into the crime scene area, just covering it up. Also, we heard this theory that there are specific plants that deter bomb dogs away from certain scents. I don't know if those plants are at UVU, but it'd be something to look into. We could take photos of them.
We should try to pick up the plants also.
Try to pick them up. Oh, I have this insane thing that I want to do, but I'm not going to share what it is yet.
Sorry, I was forgetting to like pin the comments as we were reading them.
Oh.
So I'm gonna go through and pin the ones that we've already read. That's Blake. Everyone go subscribe to Blake. He has awesome content too. He's covering the same stuff, you know. And also Blake's gonna come to the next hearing with us,
Yes.
which I'm not quite sure on the date, but we will figure that out. That was Mary, the one we read earlier. Thank you, Mary. And this was JDC. Thank you.
Thank you.
Trigger Smart, of course.
Thank you.
I think the reason that my mic's quieter is because I'm like not talking into it. And then thank you, Sean.
Thank you very much. You girls are
Is this
doing
Mary again?
a great
Say
job.
Mary.
I know it's cold out there. Yeah. I want
Oh,
hot
that
chocolate
sounds
as
so
soon as you guys
good. Thank you, Mary. Thank you. You guys are going to do great. Came from Barron, stayed for content. Welcome to the pod fam.
Aw, thank you.
We're actually like, we still don't like register that we do this. I feel like I don't anyway. Do you?
No.
It's
We
so
actually went to Tennessee and should we tell them?
yeah.
We actually posted it. We met up with Barron
In
and
Tennessee.
it was really fun. And
Yeah.
his wife.
We
They were
got
awesome.
we got about 5 minutes worth of interview with him.
And we're all wearing our
Adidas hoodies.
obviously.
Yeah, we'll post it. I posted on my Instagram story, but we'll post it on YouTube here shortly.
Yeah.
Great work, ladies. Y'all out there freezing to get the truth. Yeah, my toes are gone. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. PG Whittaker MRP. Thank y'all. And yeah, hit the like button, guys.
Hit the like and subscribe.
I always tell people on Barron's channel I always send in a super chat to remind everyone to hit the like button. But then when it comes to our own channel, I always forget to tell people.
There's all troopers and doing amazing work.
Thank you, Ed.
Ed. Frank's 101.
Okay.
All right.
All right. We're going to go see some plants.
At UVU and maybe do some more interviews. We'll see. It's getting kind of dark, so
Yeah. Sorry.
we
You
will
guys
see
can't
you
see
guys
us
later.
anymore. Bye. Love you. Oh, sorry. I think we just got one more because Mike. It's Mike.
Super sticker. Thank you. Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.